the international level and holding our flag high of tourism. So you are right to demand that government must support and facilitate this activity. So I'm going to make sure the contestants, the winners, and the organizers, and the board of the tourism board will have to meet His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and put these issues to him yourselves. And in that meeting, I'll make sure we bring the Ministry of Finance, specifically the Microfinance Support Center, that is supposed to support people who have come up to work. I'll also make sure the people to attend the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development, which also domiciles part of this component, together with the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Activity.
Transferring knowledge. As we went through it, we know it, and we believe that when we get together as ladies and support each other to take up space, we really can do greater things in this world. This message now goes to our dear guest of honor. As we execute all these work, we still ask for more support. These ladies achieve their dreams here, but we need more support for us to nurture them even more. Through you, to our dear President, we actually put in a request for a bus, the Kira bus. We believe we can get one, so that as we traverse the entire country, this will be a better way of taking on these movements, because we reach all corners of this country.